Hello everyone! Here you can see my low-budget insect screen, curtains and sunshade. I will show them in use and then how I made them. First, let me show the insect screen, what costs about $20. And it works really good. Here you can see the installation process. If I don't use it, I always fold it and put it into the cabinet. I bought 2 packs of general insect screen and sewed them together, and of course leave there one exit. And it was too long, so I had to cut off the bottom and sew there a new ribbon with magnets. There you can see the sewable magnets, and I screwed magnets on the other side, on the doorstep. If you work with magnets on both sides, always watch the north and the south pole, otherwise they will repel each other. This shows the magnets what I used. And there you can see the other door. This is a simple mosquito net curtain. It was about $3. I fixed it with magnets. I decided to do a fixed screen because when the wind blows, the magnetic door opens easily. And there are the curtains, which makes really dark inside. The 3 of them were about $20 to $25 together. I really like the bulkhead because it attracts the magnets, so I can hang everything on it. As you can see, there are already my necklace and bracelets. So I needed a cutting out scissor, iron on hemming strip, greaseproof paper, plastic stuff, magnets, and of course the fabric and sewing machine. First, I cut out the material and sew it around. I made pockets and put the magnets inside. The magnet and the sewing machine's bottom attract each other, so that's why I needed that plastic stuff. Put it between them. And the curtain with the curtain rod. Before the van conversion, I never tried sewing. I just bought a basic Zinger sewing machine and watched on YouTube how to use. So that's why my curtains looks like that. And finally the sunshade for the windshield. I just ordered the thin sunshade on the internet. For the windshield I just had to sew pockets with magnets on the fabric. And I glued the magnets on the glass and they can attract each other. Don't use too strong magnets because it can rip off the material. And then I made a sample about the side windows and cut off from the fabric. Of course I sewed around and made pockets on them. The door can attract the magnets, so I can put it there directly. No need magnets on the other side. Thank you for watching.